Shubor Sngewlem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Umintri rangba Conrad kesangma gala Sngewlem la Leit Dangar bat Kenmynsaw hamausen ram bania kendu igi Baieid hasem jong gitu gi beladu no ela gijing im hagini gi kendiat sngi na kadaw jong gijing tua kendo hadin gijing ther ulap ba hagini gi sngi u Conrad ula IT ru shi Baieid hasem ya ke shiti ga Baieid ba gijing siu ya ka bailut ksan na galiang ka sarkar laban kedaw bah Dangar sangot bakentup ya kami bat sawut ki khun giladu no ela gijing im kat ba Kenmynsaw kishikurim kila klat namar gijing tua ga kendo kini kishikurim na Kenmynsaw kila ino shadin yalai ngot ki khun nagaliang u Conrad ulai kendu ru ikino yalam shnong bat ula kular ban IG Arab ulai thu ba sarkar kadang penia chikamat gijing maromot ya boarding bat ke mobile network agi jaka bla syakta
Ïing dunia. Ini mau so all these have come from there. Sometimes people don't realize it. No, realize it. Very seriously. So whatever efforts can be made, and I was mentioning, you see that in the future, when the rains like these are coming, you should make an effort to evacuate people from this kind of risky houses as far as possible. I know it's not like possible the way they do it in cyclones, but wherever it's possible. We want some kind of protection in case some such of government work. Circular way will take Ïing with Hima
Ada parah
Sisters, okay.
parah
The brother of the lady. Be the sign up. Oh, what's it? My one. Pwede medeng deh. Di imisan ano? Then double check it. So these are the sanctions. Small children and our sister who lost her life. I first of all would express my deepest condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time. From the government side, as has been mentioned by the Honorable MLA, that there is an ex gratia amount of 4 lakhs per deceased, which will be amounting to total of 20 lakhs. And the BDO will sit with all of you, the family members, and decide on how we should move forward. But the sanction from the government side has been done, and we will be giving the sanction letter to you.